Isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Tayo po'y magninilay sa salita ng Diyos, ang pinagmumulan ng awa ng ating buhay, ang salitawa. We have today in our gospel reading a woman crippled by the evil spirit for 18 years. She could not stand erect. She's just bent over, and she could not even look up to see the faces of people, to see what heaven or skies look like. Kung titignan natin, yung babae, 18 taon nang pinapahirapan, 10 taon na parang kuba, bigat na bigat sa kanyang sitwasyon. And so we have a situation here. It is a Sabbath day, and Jesus heals the infirmity of this woman because Jesus sees the burden, the suffering of this woman, and so Jesus unloads what causing the burden, the load, the heavy load of this woman. Kaya si Jesus, alam na alam niya yung pinagdaraanan natin, yung bigat ng buhay natin. And here Jesus is actually emphasizing that we human beings are both body and soul. And so Jesus does not only heal the infirmity of the woman, but she also heals the spiritual burden of this woman. And so Jesus says in our gospel reading today, "Woman, you are free from your infirmity." And this infirmity is not only physical, but spiritual as well. And so here, my dear brothers and sisters, the Lord is telling us He comes to free us from what causes burdens in life, what makes our life so heavy to continue on. Kaya napakahalaga po na makita natin, mga kapatid, na naparito ang Diyos para palayain tayo sa kung anuman ang nagpapabigat sa atin. Alam ng Diyos at tutulungan tayo ng Diyos. Na huwag ganito rin ang maging hamon sa atin. Maging instrumento rin tayo na mabawasan kung anuman ang nagpapabigat sa ating kapwa at hindi tayo ang magiging sanhi ng kabigatan ng buhay ng ating kapwa. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na ito, huwag kalimutang mag-like, i-share at mag-subscribe sa Salitawa Facebook page and YouTube channel. Muli isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat.